Week 4 Tips and Fun 4. Before we start, can you please tell me what is 13% of 50 in 5 seconds? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up if you didn't solve. Don't worry, we'll solve it for you. Hello everyone, my name is Attila. Welcome to our 52-week program of Grammar School Maths Test. This is our 4th week. Today, we'll share some excellent percentage tips. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now for exciting tips and fun. Today, we will share tips and tricks for the percentage problem. For the percentage problem, all you need to do is to multiply both numbers and then put a decimal point after the second digit starting from the right. For example, 5% of 10. We multiply 5 by 10, which is 50. Then we put a decimal point after 5. So the answer is 0.50. Now, can you work out 3% of 2? 3 times 2 is 6. However, we must put a decimal point after 2 digits. Since we have 1 digit in this case, we add a 0 before 6 and then put the decimal point. So the answer is 0.06. Tip 2. 75% is 3 quarters, 50% is half, 25% is 1/4, 20% is 1/5, and 10% is 1/10. Remember these figures and you can solve percentage faster than a calculator. So we just divide 60 by 4. We have 15, and that is our answer. Can you tell me 75% of 60? Now, can you tell me 75% of 40? Please comment if you are struggling. Tip 3. A% of B is the same as B% of A. For example, 10% of 20 is the same as 20% of 10. Let's check. 10% of 20 equals 0.1 times 20, or 2. 20% of 10 equals 0.2 times 10 equals 2. Isn't it amazing? So 13% of 50 is the same as 50% of 13. We know 50% is half, so half of 13 is 6.5. Let's check with a calculator. Amazing! Now, can you tell me 40% of 25 in 5 seconds? That's right. Just divide 40 by 4. Well, the answer is 10. Tip 4. Use the multiplication rule for numbers nearer to 100. For example, 93% of 97. The quickest method is to put two numbers side by side, then identify how much less the number is from 100 and write it down under the opposite numbers. So 93 is 7 less than 100, and 97 is 3 less than 100. Now, subtract 7 from 97 or 3 from 93. The result will be the same, which is 90. Next, multiply 3 by 7. We have 21, and put it in front of 90. So, the result is 90/21. Now put a decimal point after the 2 digits starting from the right. 90.21 is our answer. It is faster than a calculator. Let's try another number. 96% of 92. So we subtract 96 minus 8, or 92 minus 4, which is 88. 4 times 8 is 32. So the answer is 8832. We put a decimal number after the 2 digits starting from the right. So it is 88.32. There are more tricks of multiplication. If you missed it, please see video 9 for more multiplication tricks. Tip 5. Percentage of any 2-digit number with the IXI method. Example. What is 34% of 52? It looks very challenging. However, if you follow our method, it will be very easy. First, put one number under the other. Now, multiply ones by ones, or 4 times 2, which is 8, and put under ones. Then, 10 times ones plus 1 times tens. So, 3 times 2 plus 5 times 4, or 6 plus 26. Put 26 under tens. We keep 6 here and shift 2 to the hundreds. Finally, tens times tens. So 5 times 3, or 15. We add carry forward 2 and put 17 under hundreds. So the result is 1768. Finally, we put a decimal. So 34% of 52 is 17.68. In this method, we can do any 2-digit percentage problems in seconds. Let's try another one. What is 23% of 12? So our 1 is 3 times 2, or 6. Tens is 3 times 1 plus 2 times 2, or 7. And our hundreds is 2 times 1, or 2. So we have 276. Now put the decimal as usual. We have 2.76. Now, can you do 34% of 43? Please comment. If you want to know more about multiplication tricks, please see video 9. That's all from 11 Plus Maths Genius for this week. Next week, we will present some different tips and fun. So please subscribe and don't miss any lectures, mock tests, tips, or fun. Until then, be vigilant when you are outside. Stay safe, stay healthy, and practice more. I'll see you guys later. See ya.
If you multiply 4 by 4 and 2 by 2 and then divide 16 by 4, the answer is 4, which is incorrect. Please see video 2 for the correct process.
Every week we upload a mock test with 5 questions for free.
Subscribe to 11 Plus Maths Genius and stay ahead of the competition.